Hey everybody, it's Las Vegas Bus Sales. Johnny Ringo here, excited to show you this beautiful bus. This is a low mileage used bus. That's a 2018 Bluebird Vision, and check this out, only 16,000 miles on that V10 6.8 by Ford under the hood right there. This thing is clean like new, seats 77 kids in the back there. Let's take a walk around and check it out. See if we can point anything out. I forgot to mention this thing does come with storage. Of course, it is hydraulic brakes. Tires are in excellent condition, only 16,000 miles. Headlights are like new. Let's pop the hood. Wow, look at that engine compartment. It is clean. For low miles, I'm not surprised. Get our little latch. Shut the hood so we can get a good view of it. It's a good looking bus.
Nice.
Battery compartment with your battery shut off. Right there, nice and neat and clean.
Brand new batteries.
Brand new batteries. Oh, we put brand new batteries in there. Look at that. You got your battery shut off. Of course, you've got your fuse panel here, all your fuses, nice little diagram. I mean, that's an indication of the condition of this bus by that fuse panel right there. You can tell how clean that is and how well maintained it was. Let's look over here. We got the luggage compartments. You want to open one up?
Those ones connect together.
Nice. Pass-through underbelly storage? No. Oh, these two connected.
Yeah, one compartment for those.
Sorry. Rear tires, only 16,000 miles. Excellent shape there. Coming around to the back of the bus. Straight rear bumper. You got your rear emergency exit door. And check this out. Look in there, look at those floors. They're in excellent shape. Seats are in great shape. We got seat belts on these, by the way, too, which is nice. Coming around to the sunny side of the bus, we've got some more storage here. Of course, we have our gasoline fill there. This is a gasoline powered bus.
How much gasoline does it hold, John?
60 gallons of gasoline in there. Look at this, I really like all these little luggage compartments. You got here, you got one by the entry, which is real nice. Look at that. Nice and clean. Make a little strap for the looky there. Let's go inside the bus and check it out. Driver's area. You know what? Let me fire it up. All your buttons and switches. Rear heat. Does not have rear AC or front AC. 16,000 miles.
Adjustable pedals.
Adjustable pedals. Nice little driver's compartment.
Clean.
Clean.
Look at the ceiling.
Look at the ceiling's like brand new. Nice and clean. We do have seat belts on these bench style seats. We got the lights. Rear heat, front heat. What do you rate these seats, Dan?
I think I can give them a 10. I don't see one.
Give them a 10. They look good.
I don't think there's any
Yeah,
damage.
I think they look excellent. 3-point seat belts. No, do not have 3-point. 3 seat belts. That's what I'm trying to say. 3 seat belts per seat. Bench. Listen to that. I'm standing right next to that engine. It's running right now. It's purring like a kitten. That is a 2018 Bluebird Vision powered by that 6.8 V10 under the hood right there. If you'd like more information, come visit us at LasVegasBusSales.com or call us 877-456-9804. It is a beautiful day in Las Vegas. Have a nice day.